Hello everyone, this is Devi and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about something which everybody loves to talk about, or at least most of us do, that is grooming tips. So whatever I'm going to say, you might have already heard or read about it, but to help you a little extra, I would be suggesting you products as well as tips so that you don't have to spend so much money onto high-end brands to groom yourselves, because I think grooming can be done under budget as well. So first of which we have is a consistent skincare routine. You need to develop a consistent skincare routine. I think our skin does not demand 5 or 10 steps. Instead, it demands consistency, and therefore we can have a basic skincare routine, that is cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting, which we are going to talk about in this video. So cleansing, you need to choose a face wash or a cleanser which is according to your skin type and is gentle on your skin and also targets all your skin concerns. Then for moisturizer, again choose a moisturizer which is according to your skin type but also according to the weather, that is if it is monsoon and sometimes it's easy breezy, sometimes it's hot and humid, you can go for something very light but also something which serves the purpose right of hydrating our skin. Step is to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, pigmentation and photo aging using a sunscreen. Go for sunscreens that is fragrance free, and also choose a SPF on the basis of how much field work you do. The products which I am going to suggest to people are based on customer reviews from different online platforms and from various YouTubers. Hope you love them, and forgive me if I don't serve the purpose right. Then the list of gentle face washes, we have plum green tea pore cleansing, then we have Cetaphil gentle cleanser, we have CeraVe hydrating facial cleanser, and for this girly suffering from acne can give it a shot to acne squad and minimalist salicylic acid plus LHA 2% cleanser. And for the moisturizer, we have Nivea Soft, we have Pond's Light Gel, and we have Lakme Peach Milk Intense Moisturizer and Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E Bright Moisturizer. For sunscreens, you can choose Hyphen All I Need Sunscreen SPF 50 PA++++. It is an upcoming brand by Kirti Sanon, I guess, but the reviews were really great. We have VLCC SPF 20, and if you want to go, if you're looking for something tinted, you can go for SPF 30. But the only concern which I saw from customer reviews, that it is not fragrance free, which might irritate certain skin types, but I have included in because otherwise the reviews were good. We have fixed now the third we have is fixed Derma Shadow SPF 30 plus gel, deconstruct sunscreen SPF 55 plus PA+++ lightweight gel. That's it for our tip number 1. So the second tip which we have is hair care. I think we should apply hair oil at least once or twice a week to provide the nourishment to our scalp and length also, but make sure you do not wait for longer period of time to wash your hair after applying hair oil, allowing the dirt to settle in and providing a platform for dandruff and weeds to grow. Also, to avoid product buildup, you can use diluted shampoo, and to get you guys can also go for hair mask to get manageable, frizz free, smooth, silky and strong hair. Now the third tip is body care. I know to some people it might sound too tiring, but it is not, trust me. Everybody loves healthy and glowing skin, but to get that healthy and glowing skin, we need to take care of our skin first. I know we all clean our skin nicely, but to get that extra healthy glow, you need to scrub your skin as well. Scrubbing helps us in getting soft and even tone skin, and it helps us in getting rid of strawberry legs as well. Also, make sure after scrubbing or even after taking shower, you people moisturize well. Try to moisturize on your damp skin. It allows the product to spread nicely and also to absorb nicely, which allows the moisture to retain for longer period of time. I've seen a lot of B-Town ladies talking about how wonderful Shah Rukh Khan smells, and I think smelling good is one of the easiest and wonderful methods of leaving a lasting impression on others, because people remember the way you smell. Try going for mild fragrances so that you don't block your nose and others as well, and don't give a headache. The products which I would like to suggest are Plum Body Loving Vanilla Vibes. Then you can go for there are two gift sets which you can get for yourself. Those are Rene. One is from Rene and the other one is from Bella Vita. And also you can choose for Nykaa Wanderlust perfumes. There is a whole range. Nykaa perfumes का एक पूरा range है. I think it is for around 600. You can go because you can go for it. The reviews were really great. Dress up is something really important. Try to wear clothes according to the occasion always, and make sure you always wear clean, well fitted and nicely ironed clothes. The way you wear your clothes and style your clothes is something really important, and I think you should always wear clothes according to the occasion. Try to wear clean, nicely ironed and well fitted clothes. Also, accessories are something which can enhance your overall look because they make your outfit look more put together. You can always include watches, statement earrings and layered chains to make your whole outfit look more impactful than it was before without them. The tips which I have shared with you people is going to help you maintain how you look, but your behavior, your confidence and how you regard others is something really important, and you should spend much of your time to enhance these qualities as well, because sometimes looks can be ignored because of these factors. Okay.